So today we will solve some of the PYQ questions of JEE Mains to have a better knowledge about the topic. Okay. So first question here is, let X and Y be two arbitrary 3x3 matrix, and most importantly these are non-zero, okay, skew symmetric matrices. Next is Z. Z is another matrix which is of order 3x3 and it is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So then which of the following matrices are skew symmetric? Okay. So for that we have to first have a clear knowledge about what is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So what is a symmetric matrix? So let us assume A be a symmetric matrix. Then the transpose of A, for suppose it is let this be a 2x2 matrix, then its transpose, which is represented as T, it will be A, C, B, D. Simply the columns and the rows get interchanged in transpose. Okay. So in symmetric matrix, A transpose will be equals to A. So whether you, for suppose if we change this as, let this be a matrix, then if we transpose it, what will be the result? It will be A, B, this is the first column, this will get, this will become row here, so A, B, A. So like this, what happens? The transpose of A will be equals to A. Only then it will be called a symmetric matrix. A skew symmetric matrix will be A transpose will be equal to minus A. Only then it will be called a skew symmetric matrix. Now with this knowledge we will be able to solve this question. This has came in JEE Advanced 2015, but it's very easy to solve. First we will take the options and solve them one by one. The first being what it is said. Acha. So for that it is given that X and Y are two skew symmetric matrix. So X transpose will be equal to minus X. Similarly, Y transpose will be equals to minus Y. Now Z is referred to as a symmetric matrix. That means Z transpose will be equal to Z. Okay. So with these three, we will directly jump to solve. First option number 1, what will be? Y cube Z4 minus Z4 to the power 4 Y cube. Okay. So in this, while solving, we have to whole transpose. Okay. In this case, very important things, these are the properties of a matrix, that if the whole transpose. So for solving this type of questions, first, if a polynomial expression is provided, then we will take y cube into z to the power 4 minus z to the power 4 into y cube can also be written as y cube z to the power 4 whole transpose minus z to the power 4 into y cube whole transpose. So this here we have to pay attention that for this, when we will transpose each and every matrices, we have to keep in mind one thing: A into B will never be equal to B cross A. So this is one of the principal properties of matrix that is doing. Okay, so for this, when we do the transpose of it, then Z will come first, like Z to the power 4 whole transpose into Y cube whole transpose minus, similarly transpose z to the power 4 whole transpose. So after this we can directly write, we can interchange, in multiplication we can interchange this, so here we can write z transpose whole to the power 4 y minus y transpose. So this we can derive here. Now as we said that Z is a symmetric matrix, so transpose of Z will be Z, we will write simply Z to the power 4. Okay. Now transpose of Y, skew symmetric matrix, Y transpose equals to minus Y. So okay, here Y transpose minus Y. So minus Y cube, and Z transpose will be equal to Z. So therefore Z to the power 4. So the final value will be what? Y cube Z to the power 4 minus. So final value is y cube Z to the power 4 minus Z to the power 4 into y cube, which is exactly same as that of the given question. So therefore this is a symmetric matrix, but what is asked? Asked is what is a skew symmetric matrix. So this is not a skew symmetric matrix. First option is nullified. Second option. Now second option. Similarly, if we whole transpose it, what will be the thing? So we can write it like this. Now X and Y both are skew symmetric matrices, but here we will, so therefore X transpose will be minus X to the power 44 plus Y minus Y to the power 44. So here this is an even number, so therefore the ultimate answer will be X to the power 44 plus Y to the power 44, which is again similar to that of the, exactly equal to that of the given question. So therefore this is also a symmetric matrix. So therefore this option will also be nullified. Now number 3.